Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the basic difference between Windows Server 2019 and 2016, step by step how to install it, and if additional settings have been added versus the previous version during installation, and who is faster. To mention that we'll not talk about new features that were added about the last release that make huge headway by including an entry subsystem optimized for the operation of Linux system on Windows Server. So I already prepared two virtual machine with 2019 and 2060 version on VMware Workstation Player. The machine have the same settings: 2 GB of RAM, 2 CPU and 60 GB of hard disk. So we'll be starting the same time with a delay of my click, maybe 2 seconds. So if you look closely, right from the start, the interface are the same. So we can go ahead with installation. Default settings for language. So I will choose the same architecture, the same version of operating system with desktop experience. Next we have user license agreement. Preparing the custom installation for partition where will be installed the operating system. So you can see a little difference between recovery partition. The size for 2019 is 500 megabytes and for 2016 is 450. So, and from this moment I will measure the time with stopwatch, and we can see who is faster. Next. Okay, see you later. Okay guys, I am back. You have seen yourself who is faster. The 2019 version have a better speed of finishing up and no difference between the steps of installing both of the version. So we should check also the ready to use time. Finishing up for 2060 version. Password for administrator. As you can see, the 2019 is ready to use. As you can see guys, the 2090 version is ready to be used. And finally guys, all the servers are ready to be used. I hope you will find this information useful, and thanks for watching. See you next time.